Wani, you have not gone through what I went through. I have anxiety. Where I live, I don't have anybody. I loved you people. I fought. I've been in problems. I've loved you, my family. And I need to show you that, my sister, I'm sorry to tell you, but I'm talking to you point blank. You are hypocrite. Because Wani, I even unblocked you recently. And I texted you, Wani, me thinking that we can fix this. Wani, I believed that we can fix this. But Wani, when all these things happened, all of you were running to my husband. But when my husband called mom, asked to sit, no, mommy was just laughing. Katakoma, that I'm going to suffer. But you know, Wani, I pushed my son without a pedal. And I was pushing because I was strong. The internet family were holding me. But you know the pain I had. A stranger had to come and take care of my sons. They were here alone. I didn't have anybody. But Wani, Jemima is closer to me. Dorcas is closer to me. Mommy was at Jemima's place when I'm trying to push. And Wani, my husband did not make a call to refuse mom to come to my place. No, she didn't. All of you were watching me when I came live crying. All of Mama, Jemima, Dorcas, they were following and they were laughing. She will suffer. We will see who is going to help her with her 3 children. When we are talking about family, we are talking about family. You know, Wani, do you really think the way you know me and my kindness, if all of you would have come and shown up, Wani, mom knows my address, Jemima knows my address, Dorcas, to show you, Wani, Dorcas even came to my house. Me and my husband helped Dorcas and she got her driving license. Dorcas, I have fed her. My husband has helped Dorcas find a job. But when I needed you guys, I was walking on Krekur as a lame person, pregnant with 2 children. My husband is working. I have nobody. I came crying to my mother, but my mother is telling me, why can't you be like your sister Jemima? Why can't you pray? Why don't you give tithe? Why don't you do this, Wani? Wani, you know that money belonged to me. I told her, at least give me the money. My children need it. But today, as I'm talking, my mom is buying lands in Uganda. She's preparing a wedding that is going to take place in October. She's preparing a wedding. Why can't she give me back that money? I take care of my family. That money can help me. But I accepted to eat beans and rice as a pregnant woman. I have craving. I kept quiet. I didn't come here on social media. When you wait.
They're calling me because we have to go for some event that we're going to. But I just need you, Mary. Come, let's cry to us. Cry to me. So
I cry to you now?
Yes, we can do this, Mary. We can do this privately. Please, Mama, I understand you're hurting and I feel so bad. I don't want you to do this on social media because people are recording you. This is going to damage, our kids are going to be looking at these recordings and they'll see you crying. Do you want them to keep these memories? No, my sister, that's why I'm sticking here because I need you to listen to me. We need you outside of social media. Why don't other families come here and they cry about their problems, Mary? Yes, we may not have been there first, but we thank God people of social media, they helped you. They're giving you that comfort. We are grateful. So now you give us a chance too, so we can work these things out privately as families should do. Please, Mommy, I'm sorry, Mary. And this is not, and we also, you need to go to therapy.
When Rachel
started therapy, okay, we can work these things out. We go to therapy because it's a trauma. It's a trauma
when
that we
Rachel
need to
came,
solve.
when Rachel came and started talking to me, you all started threatening her. Why are you talking back to
Mary,
Mary?
please, let's not go back to the past,
No,
Mama.
that is me
We
giving
need
you
you.
chance.
And listen, Mary, and we're gonna talk to other people who you're in contact with to come and
Guys,
talk to you, to
please
bring you
help
to
me.
us. But I need you to listen that all of us are ready to work these things out as a family. So for me, I'm gonna live life, Mary, but just know that I love you. I don't wanna cry on social media. Don't make me cry on social media so they can record me. But
when I gave birth,
you so
when
much,
I gave
Mama.
birth,
It
when I
hurts
gave
me
birth,
to
you
see
didn't
you
cry.
in pain.
You
It
didn't.
hurts
You
me.
know
So
my
let's
pain.
solve this situation outside of social media. Mary, stop, Mama.
Do you know
End the live,
how I
please.
sleep?
Mary, please end the live. I'm sorry for everything.
Do you know how I sleep, Wani?
Please, Mama, I'm sorry, and I'm here. I'm ready to know how you sleep. I want to know how you sleep.
Ready.
Unblock me. I want to know how you sleep. Mary, I'm ready to help you and support you through everything. Please, Mama. Social media is not going to help you, okay?
God have mercy.
Please, Mama, please. Please, baby, do not cry for social media, Mama. Mary, listen, today TikTok can disappear. Today TikTok can disappear, just like a tweet and other accounts disappeared. But your family will always be here for you. Social media will disappear, but we will always be here for you. So please forgive. How will you be here for me? And so we can solve these things out together. Please, Mommy, please, I beg you.
Wani, I'm asking you.
I am on my knees, Mary. On my knees. On my knees. I need us to solve this thing. I am on my knees. Mary, we can work these things out. And I'm going, but please, we are ready to solve this, Mama. Off social media. I love you so much, Mary, and we are sorry for everything. Okay?
Wani, if you're sorry, you are with Mom right now. How about you call her to fast up by paying me that money?
Yes, let's go solve this, Mary. Let's go solve this privately.
Mary, let her go.
Okay,
let her go.
Please. All right. Thank you so much for giving me time to talk. But please don't let social media manipulate you. We love you so much.
Mary, before you speak,
move my kids out of your mouth, because I'm scared.
Sorry, but let's focus on fixing our family outside social media. Please, my baby.
Can I just say something?
Mama.
Wani, you said in the live that you had with your sisters that you were a produce of grape, right?
Grace, please, Mommy. You are not.
I'm asking because
Grace.
It's a yes or no question.
Grace, you're not a judge.
It's just a no yes question.
I'm not a judge.
Yes, please. So I'm talking to my sister. Okay.
And I'm asking questions.
No, please don't ask me questions, Mary.
Because you lied. So you admit that you lied. So you lied.
Sorry, Grace. You're still in school. You're not a judge.
So you lied.
Until you have that license, I'm not going to respond to you,
What I do and what I don't do doesn't matter.
Sorry, Grace.
You came on the internet.
Please,
You came on the internet and you said that you're a produce of grape. I asked your brother. I
owe you an explanation, Grace. Go
but
back
you're
to school.
But you're lying. You're lying about something as serious as grape. You are evil. You are evil.
But Mary, we need to solve these things privately as a family. Mary, the social media is going to use this information against you. Don't let Grace.
Oh, really? Yes, that's why I'm telling people. Somebody here to help me. Guys, please help me.
So, guys, do you see? Do you guys see what I'm talking about?
This is what I'm talking about.
It's not about that. Mary, let's remove the things on social media. We are family. Every family has problems.
When I needed family,
you have problems in your own family too. You can fix those ones first.
I do.
Don't be happy to see siblings cutting parts, Grace. Why are you bringing this history of the old things that happened? It's not going to solve anything.
These are your words.
We need to focus on justice of my sister. I literally told you, Grace, let's work this thing out as a family, of the justice. But all Grace Grace, you focus on
Oh,
is making
okay.
family, making videos to try to prove that the sisters are wrong. That's
What
not
videos
helping.
have I made? What
You are
videos
supposed
have
to
I
be
made?
making videos of how people are gonna be signing the petition.
What
But
videos have
not
I
trying
made?
to not trying to separate sisters, Grace.
I'm
What
holding you
goes
accountable.
around
I'm
comes
holding you
around, Grace.
accountable for your
So
actions.
until you go to school and become a lawyer, I'm not gonna get back to you. Mary, I'm done with this life. I came to tell you that we are all ready to make peace with you and make the things outside social media, because social media people, they're not lawyers, okay?
You
And
Okay,
social
Wani.
media
talking
people
about
are
me?
not
You
gonna
talking
help you.
about
This thing
me?
is not gonna help
You
you.
talking
We
about
are not
me
here
as
to
if
talk
I,
about.
as
No,
I'm
Wani.
holding you. Wait, Mary. I'm holding you accountable for stuff that you said. You said you were a produce of your mother's grape. I am asking
Great.
you.
How is that?
I-
How is that helping you bring justice to Mary, Grace? How is that
That
helping?
if you let me finish, then maybe you would understand. But you attack
How
me.
is that helping bring
Okay,
justice
can you
to
let me
Mary?
finish? Can you let me finish, or are you gonna keep? Are
No,
you
but
gonna
you need
keep?
to give me the reason why you're asking
Exactly,
that
and that is
question.
what I'm going
Let
to
us
give
all
you. And
let
that is
one
what
by one
that is
speak.
what I'm
One
going to give
person,
you.
one by one, one by
I
one.
came to the live yesterday because you guys were talking, and your sister was laughing in the background, and she was doing this and the third in the background, and I wanted to come on the live and ask you. You said out of your own mouth, and I can play it. So don't say nobody's lying, and don't say
Listen, Grace,
wait.
the thing is, no, did I
Because
send links or no? I didn't
I
say
didn't
that.
come on here to argue with you, because you
That's
don't
why I'm
mean
telling
anything.
you, please,
You don't
Grace,
mean anything
stop
to me.
this. You're not
You
building
don't
family.
you don't
What
mean
did the
nothing to me
post
when
say
you
Grace,
say
about the
that.
Grace,
justice, and what can we
Grace,
do to move forward to make
Grace.
our sister
It's
get
okay.
justice?
Grace, it's okay.
Not
It's
about
okay.
the rape situation,
Grace, it's
Grace.
okay.
Please.
It's okay. Grace, it's okay.